Hello everyone, this is Chandan Gupta, your educator and trainer. This is my third video of personality development. In order to improve our personality, I would like to tell you something about communication skills. What is communication? Communication is actually interaction, talking between two or more than two people. That is called communication. Why communication is important? Actually, communication is very important to be successful in our life, to establish relationship. Communication plays a very important role. And if you see the great people in the world, they are the master of communication. They know how to talk to the people. And if you know how to talk to the people, then you are the master of the communication and you can succeed in your life. How to improve your communication skills? If you really want to improve your communication skills, then I would like to give you some tips and you can follow them. It is very easy and interesting also. The basic rule of the communication: thinking, listening, speaking, and non-verbal communication. Thinking is very important. If you think in English language and you speak in English language, simply you can maintain your fluency. Fluency is very important, but be careful. Fluency doesn't mean that you have to speak very fast. Fluency means there should be no pause, there should be no gap in your sentences. That is called fluency. Speak slow but without gap. Listening is very important because all the good communicator in the world are the good listeners. And you know, when you listen somebody properly with interest, then he would like to tell you his or her story. Everybody has a story, but nobody has the time to listen to them. So listening is very important to improve communication and relationship. Then speaking is important. Uh, Whatever you want to speak, you should speak thoroughly and try to keep in the mind that the basic rule of the speaking is the kiss. The kiss means keep it short and simple. Your sentences should be short and it should be simple, and then there is a chance that you are not going to make any mistake. And again, the last non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means your gestures, your body language, your posture. This is very important communication because when your words is matching with your non-verbal communication with your body language, then it is going to make 100% communication. I would like to tell you 70% your body language is important, 30% your words are important. That is making 100% of communication. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for listening. Catch you